It's about 7 o'clock, and something that never ever happens at home, but seems to happen here a little more often, is I'm the first one up and out of camp. Usually at home, I'm always running late. I'm always sleeping in, and I was up at like 5 something this morning. I actually got, I think for out here, some decent sleep. I got on and off maybe 4 or 5 hours. We're in Deep Gap, and there's a reputation here for a lot of mice. And in fact, Wacky found that out when he slept in the shelter. I'll tell you about that in a little bit. But I kept waking up just being a little nervous that mice would chew through my tent and into my pack or something. I also realized I forgot to braid my hair this morning, but it's probably gonna be a giant mess by the time we get to Dick's. But luckily, we're going back to a hostel today. We're going to the Green Dragon, so I'll be able to just shower, condition, and take care of it when I get there. It's 0.3 miles, mostly uphill, to get back to the trail from here. I have a total of 4 miles to go. I don't think 7 o'clock now, at the pace we've been going, I don't know if I'm going to make the 10 o'clock free shuttle bus, which is fine. The next one comes at 2. I know that's a long time to wait on a shuttle, but I think I'd just rather be up and walking in the cool air and be on my way than to kind of hang out there and then end up hiking at like 1 o'clock when it's starting to get pretty warm. So I'm just gonna keep making my way through here. The one thing I don't love about being the first person out on trail is that I'm the one catching all these spider webs. Well, that's an interesting color. I wonder what that ate. Right, it is 20 till 10 and we have 1/10 of a mile to go. I think we're gonna freaking make it. Going up those uphills, I was like, yeah, we're not. Did I get bit on my forehead? Aw, I got a bug bite on my forehead. But anyhow, I really thought we were not gonna make it. We were gonna be like 15 minutes past the bus. So as long as the bus doesn't come early, we're gonna make it. Don't leave without me, please. Hey, I'm here with
New York.
Okay, I guess you can give your trail name.
Yeah, I'm Mustang Sally because I'm fast as hell and I love salamanders.
Excellent. And she was showing me a little bit about the salamander she's already found.
Yeah. So here we've got a little alpine salamander. Who's looking very sweet. You can find them out there in the mud. Got a lovely orange color to them.
They're so cute.
And we've got some nice big fat slimy salamanders out here as well. So I've been out finding all the different ones, and in Georgia, in the area we're in at the moment, there are 70 species to find. 70
Like
species.
70.
70 individual salamander species to find right here. Across the entire Appalachian Trail, there are like 100 plus.
Are you serious?
Yeah, individual species. That's why I'm here. In the Smokies, which is where we're going next, the Great Smoky Mountains, there are 82 species. And I'm hoping to find as many as possible.
That's amazing. Can you show us your Instagram if anybody is interested and wants to follow you?
Absolutely. So I've got a little travel Instagram called Clemmy Finds Stuff. Clemmy is then, like Clementine is my real name when I'm not Mustang Sally, when I'm not on trail. And I'll be posting all the stuff that I'm doing out here. That can be anything from nice views, distances traveled, and all the cool animals I found. It's not just salamanders, it's everything.
Salamanders are really cool though. Hopefully you find all the species.
I'm hoping the dream list or the dream find is what we have called the hellbender. I don't know if you've heard of that one.
Oh my, okay.
It's the biggest, the third biggest salamander in the world.
Yes.
29 inches.
Yes.
So it is massive, but you can only find it in trout streams.
Yep.
And that's hard to, you know.
Where I grew up, they're around where I live. Yes. So, all right, we're gonna talk.
We're gonna. I need to. No.
They're both fucking close to water.
Have I seen those two before?
The pretty puffy jackets they got there.
Yeah. I think I've seen
Oh,
them
yes.
on the trail.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Sure, she was kind of busy. We didn't know. I mean, from the treatment that you got. Yeah. Who gave you whatever you want? Orange, strawberry, whatever. And you're like, but that's not a Coke. But the middle one. Oh, the middle one? Yeah. Yep, that one there.
Is that dirt? Or am I think I have a dirt unibrow right now. I cannot wait to shower. All right, we're gonna stop at Ingles real quick and I'm gonna get some barbecue sauce because I got some freeze-dried pulled pork to eat tonight, and then maybe a little drink or snack or something else, whatever we feel.
Okay. Now that would have to make for an interesting accent. Been raised in Germany.
I have clean hair, I've showered, I've got some bone broth here I'm sipping on. It's a really good day. I use the coffee machine to make a little bit of hot water, and I've decided I'm gonna try a chocolate protein shake, but hot, like a hot cocoa, and I'm putting some of this almond butter in it. Just see how it turns out. I need some more protein, and I'm dehydrated, so I thought I'd drink it. We're gonna try it out. Hi. Hi. I just made up some dinner. Tonight is pulled pork, and then I bought that Sweet Baby Ray's golden mustard barbecue sauce and rehydrated it with water and barbecue sauce. It's killer. And then I got a salad kit. It's like an amazing dinner. It's about 9:30. I know you can't see my face, it's too dark. Everybody else is down and asleep. The rest of the day was pretty great. We've got our slack packs packed for tomorrow. Snowbird is gonna come with Wacky and I to go slack packing. We've got 6 miles to do tomorrow, so I think that'll be a nice refresh for us. I'll see you in the morning at breakfast time, and then we'll see how tomorrow goes.